welcome to this short body scan meditation for stress relief, brought to you by Little Light Meditations. Today, we'll use the breath as a tool to create lightness, space, and softness within the body to alleviate stress. Let's begin by finding a safe and comfortable position, either seated or lying down. And when you're ready, gently close your eyes. Allow yourself to settle into this moment, knowing there's nothing else you need to do right now. Take a deep inhale through your nose, feeling the cool air enter your body. And then exhale slowly out through your mouth, like you're gently blowing out a candle. Inhale deeply, feeling the breath in the body. And exhale gently through the mouth, slowly softening into the surface supporting you. One more time, inhale lightness. And exhale, letting go of any tension you might be holding. Allow your breath to settle into its natural rhythm, in and out through your nose. With each inhale, imagine the lightness of air creating space within you. With each exhale, feel a softness washing over your body. Bring your attention to your head and face. Notice if you're holding any tension in your forehead, jaw, or around your eyes. As you inhale, imagine a cool, gentle breeze moving into these areas, creating space. With your exhale, feel that space soften into air, releasing all tension. Breathe here for a moment, feeling your head and face become lighter and more at ease, as light and soft as a gentle breeze. Shift your awareness to your neck and shoulders. Often these areas can hold a lot of stress and tension. On your next inhale, visualize the breath as a gentle, uplifting breeze that creates openness in your neck and shoulders. With the exhale, imagine the space softening and melting away any tightness. Continue breathing into this space, feeling your shoulders gently drop, relax, and release into complete softness. Bring your awareness to your arms and hands. Notice any sensations here. Inhale, imagining gentle air flowing down your arms, creating space and lightness all the way to your fingertips. As you exhale, allow your arms, hands, and fingers to soften, releasing any residual tension. Move your awareness to your chest and abdomen. Feel the rise and fall of your breath here. As you inhale, imagine the air creating a spacious, light feeling within your chest and belly. With the exhale, allow the space to soften, letting go of any tightness. Feel a sense of calm radiating from your center. Bring your awareness to your back. With each inhale, feel your breath creating gentle space and ease throughout your entire back. On the exhale, imagine these areas softening, releasing tension with a sense of lightness. Feel the muscles soften and ease, like tension dissolving into thin air. Shift your attention to your hips and pelvis. Inhale, creating spaciousness and comfort. Exhale, allow this area to soften, inviting ease and flow. Now bring your attention to your legs and feet. Inhale lightness into your thighs, knees, calves, feet, all the way to the tips of your toes. With the exhale, allow that lightness to soften these areas, releasing tension and grounding you into the earth. Feel your legs and feet become light yet steady, supported and at ease. And take one more deep breath in, feeling the spaciousness and lightness fill your entire body. And then exhale, gently releasing any remaining tension and inviting softness to each and every part of you. And when you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing awareness back to your physical body and your surroundings. And open your eyes and take a moment to appreciate the sense of calm and ease within you. May you carry this sense of lightness and softness with you into the rest of your day, and may your little light always shine bright. Namaste. Thank you for practicing with us today. If this meditation resonated with you, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share with someone who could use a little light.